Hello everyone and welcome. So today we're going to see how we can make this rain effect in Blender. You can choose any version of Blender. It's so easy to accomplish using the dynamic blend. So enough talking, let's get started. I will start a new collection, so I will hide all of these and start a new collection from here. Then I will add a plane, scale this 5 and press Ctrl W few times to have around this number. Then we require a new source of the objects, so we add here, apply scale, apply here scale, and we require of course the rain object or the raindrops, maybe icosphere. After that, go to here and add the dynamic blend. Firstly, we add the canvas, and of course we will use waves. Then we add here and dynamic blend, add a brush, so add a brush, and using here particle system. We require to add a new particle system, so I will go here to emitter and add render to be object and select our drop, which is here. You can increase the scale to be 0.4 and here 0.1, and if you go here to this one and click again to be particle system, you can easily now see that you have now the rain effect. Feel free to adjust the particle system as you would like, so maybe scale 0.15 and this randomness to be 1, and as you can see this is the rain effect that we are looking for. Quick and easy to be a trick in Blender. If you find this helpful, if you find this